Hi folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a video. I'm going to make a video on this Kidde this Kidde smoke alarm that has an escape light on it. And it has an escape light, a hush button, and instead for the other one you just push the button. This one you have to hold the button down. And it also has an escape light, just like to see like there, and it's got a code 3 alarm. So basically it's got a test button, a hush button, an escape light, and the horn. So I'll take it down so you guys can see what it looks like on the back. There we go. Okay. So, what it looks like is that, as you can see, it's got two batteries. It's got two batteries. The smoke detector is really strange. It's got two batteries. Strange, huh? It's strange. How come this door is just falling off? Oh, that door is falling off, but the door fell off. Never done that. Oh, you know why? Oh no, that's broken. That's why. Yeah, so it's gonna see. It's just gonna fall out a couple times. I have to use some tape to hold it down better. And I have to use some like a Scotch tape or something to hold it down better. I'm really worried about that opening. I don't know why it broke like that, but anyways, there's two batteries in here. You can see two batteries. We'll get some Scotch tape to fix that, hopefully. Or some type of tape, doesn't really matter which tape. I might even have some tape right here, actually. Let's see, do I? Yep. It's electrical tape. So I'm experiment with I was doing experiments, so let's see if I can tape the door down. Even though this is electrical tape. Now, the strange thing I found with this alarm is that, I don't know if you can see, but if I have a Kidde smoke alarm hardwired adapter. I have for another smoke alarm, but I use the adapter for it. I replaced it with a Fire-X. If you didn't see the video on my other Fire-X smoke alarm video, Kidde rebranded that alarm, so Kidde made it better or something, whatever you want to call it. So, where's my scissors? They rebranded it for Fire-X. So, yeah. Now I'm just going to cut this piece of electrical tape off. Guess you could just tear it off, but there we go. Okay, so okay, put some tape on that. Hopefully it won't go off. Okay. This is a bad video, folks, so if you get annoyed and you're bored at putting me tape on this, then I'm sorry about it. But the strange thing is that it has an adapter for a hardwired unit. Strange, huh? Well, I have an adapter, like it just said, a plug for it. So I'll try and see if I can plug it in for you. I tried it before, so I know it's going to go in. Okay, so let's get in the adapter. Okay, so here's the Kidde smoke alarm adapter for hardwired models, and this is a battery model. Look at that. It clips right in place. Clips right in place. So I don't know if this alarm you can use is hardwired, so you can plug the cables in. So I don't know, but whatever. So as you can see, I hope you can see the back of that. We'll install this on the ceiling, and I'll go make a video, and I'll go ahead and set the alarm off so you guys can see the escape light and whatnot. What else you didn't see? I don't know what else you didn't see. If I can just get this silly smoke detector on the wall. stupid alarm on the silly alarm I meant. Sorry about that. The silly alarm on the wall. It's really hard to get. There we go. There we go. Got it on the wall. There it is. Now, hopefully, okay, I'm hoping you guys can see that. I'll turn out the lights so you guys can see the escape light. My flashlight, handy dandy flashlight. And hopefully you guys can see this. So yeah, the escape light's here, the hush button's here, and the test button's there. So yeah, bye. So yeah, that was a demonstration video of a Kidde smoke detector. Bye.